I have been maintaining that whatever actions and whatever conclusions have to be concluded, they will be all based on whatever facts that are found, and it will be totally on the basis of evidence. So you can have a word with the Deputy Commissioner. I think he'll be able to. There's a magisterial inquiry that has been put up. So I think first we will wait for that to be done. And then we will if necessary, then the decision can be made. But as of now, as I said, the magisterial inquiry is already going on. I don't know the details. I've not seen the thing, but I'm sure there must be set time frame. But I'm sure it will be done quite early. It will not take too long. It's not government. It is from the department, from the police, and from the administration. And I guess as per their evidence and as per the situation, they have acted. So as I said, this has nothing to do with what government policy is. Ultimately, the administration, the police have to do their duty, and they're doing it as per whatever the policies and whatever system that they're trying to do. So it has to be asked from the police more specifically on how they're doing. But as I said, that whatever happened out there was unprecedented in one sense, and therefore the police is going into different aspects and ensuring that law and order has to be maintained. Because at the end of the day, we have to remember that if law and order is not there, then obviously police will again be blamed. That why isn't the police acting? Why isn't the police taking any decisions? Why isn't the police taking any actions? So it all comes down to ultimately blaming the police for doing also and for not doing also. So it's not a very simple job, and they have to take certain decisions, and therefore the more independence that is given to them with least interference and ensuring that law and order is kept at the top priority, I think they have to decide on the basis of that, and therefore I have no comments on what the police have been acting on. As I said, for them it is important to maintain the law and order. For all such important occasions, all the necessary steps are being taken, and it always are taken. So there is no question of slacking in that. So yes, all the arrangements will be made.